y'all think about? Oh yeah, man. What size carburetor you got? 750. 750? Man.
That's it.
That boy running good, man.
A Harley 750. Shout out to Quick Fuel.
Shout out to Quick Fuel, man. Okay. Well, he got a good fine-tune machine, y'all. We finna see what it do on this next one. Give me some hot chocolate after this. Yeah, I'm gonna go get mine now. Ain't no big races coming up. Yeah, ain't no races coming up. I kinda do want to catch these cars right here though. I wanna see this Hellcat. I ain't worried about that Lexus. Hey man, he got that intake? Okay. Look out. He got a it's boosted. Look at his ass.
I'm gonna roll one up right now. I got you.
He got his helmet on. He might know something, y'all. Might be. Got them wheels. I think that's a red eye. He got his tape on the side of the car. He fully equipped, y'all. Some told me to stay and watch some told me, look at him, guys. There's a red eye. Yeah, I thought it was a red eye. All right, y'all. We got the Corvette versus the red eye. Hellcat. Do that Vic got some tires on it? Nah. Ah, this red I should have that easy. Oh, they finna glue him down? That would be good if they got some. They finna... Oh no, they ain't gonna glue him down. He good.
Look out, that thing work on your girlfriend too?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
She tried to use it. I had to get it back from her. Give me my thing, toy. Damn, he got him super hot now, y'all, don't he? I never all at the hood track right now. All right, y'all, it's over $100,000 in cars at the starting line right now. Oh, this is a good pitch. This is the one I should have got right here. Right lane for the win, y'all. Hey. I got a good picture of that, so I can use that for the thumbnail. What time is it? Oh, yeah, it's hot chocolate time. Do you know what it is? Ah, my boy coming up next. I gotta make sure he listens, see if he listened, y'all. Y'all think he gonna listen? Nah, he ain't jump. Y'all think he gonna be able to take the advice? Jump and go for a ride? That would be good. Let me ask, can I? Oh, really? Hey man, look at, I can ride with you or what?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna instruct you on your burnout and everything first. Make sure we get, you ain't got no more glue, right? Let me see if they got some over here, man. Yeah. Okay, yeah, then I'm gonna ride with you. Yeah, straight crazy. I'm gonna get in there with him now, y'all. That ought to be good. So I can see what he be going through while he in the car. It seems like he be doing something ain't going right or something. I be, what the heck? On the outside. Huh? Oh, it rolling?
Fuck that weak ass Dodge.
Oh, this a Dodge?
Nah, I'll take the Ford.
Oh, it's a Ford. Oh, it's scratch second. Oh, he going down the track. Oh, here he go. Oh, he done turned the flashes on. It's over with. It's over with. Huh?